chemistry apply to herpetology, biology, and environmental science?
Well, for herpetology, chemistry applies specifically to venom. A lot of people are fascinated with venomous snakes, and they want to know how the enzymes work and how things are broken down, so that's chemistry. With biology, of course, it's really important with all the molecular interactions, especially water, and all the different functional groups on the important organic molecules like the amino acids and lipid fats and all that kind of stuff. And then for environmental science, it's especially important because us humans, through the chemicals we release, impact the environment big time. For example, nitrogen oxide that's released out of the cars as you're driving, the sunlight hits it, knocks off an oxygen, which combines with molecular oxygen, O2, to create ozone in the troposphere, which is bad photochemical smog. What was the other question?
Okay, one more question. How do you use chemistry in your everyday life?
In my everyday life, I use it. Good question. Whenever I'm cooking, I use it. You know what's acidic. You know if you want to make ceviche, for example. Also, when I'm out in the field, I use it somehow. I appreciate the properties of water, and I use that to cleanse out all the polar molecules out of my body.
Thank you so much
Right.
for your
Yeah. So Ms. Holiday, how do you utilize your chemistry knowledge by being a lab technician?
Because I get to help teach the different assignments, and that's how I utilize my chemistry skills, and I also grade papers and projects and hold tutoring Monday through Friday at lunch at 12 o'clock.
How do you enjoy doing that? Is it fun? Using all the chemistry and such?
Yes, it's right, because chemistry was my favorite subject in college and high school.
That's awesome. Well, thank you for your time.
I was wondering, what kind of chemistry is put in through physics? What kind of chemistry do you use during science?
Well, chemistry is really on the subatomic particles, so physics is really more involved in chemistry than it is necessarily chemistry involved in physics, because how the particles interact that you have in chemistry, that's all physics.
Hi, we have Bianca here, who's a college student at Bowdoin University, who is majoring in biochem. How will you utilize chemistry in the future?
I plan on using chemistry to get into graduate school because I want to be a veterinarian. So I decided that I had originally decided to do biology, but I realized that I like chemistry more than I like biology, but I needed bio classes to get into grad school. So I was like, oh, I could do both of them at the same time. So I wanted to do biochemistry. And then that was just, and hopefully I could just use that when I become a veterinarian.
Okay, and how was your experience with chemistry at Pac?
It was pretty fun. Well, I took it sophomore year.
Junior year.
No, I took first, I took the beginner's chemistry sophomore year, and I took AP chemistry junior year. And it was really easy sophomore year, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna like make a 5 on the AP test, and I'm just gonna rock AP chemistry. But it was a little more difficult than I expected, but I still enjoyed it, so I still think it's
Well, thank you for the interview.
okay.
So, how was your experience in honors chemistry?
It was pretty basic. Ms. Thomas is the teacher, and we abandoned that.
Yeah, I know what you mean. So, I hear you're taking AP Chem next year. How are you feeling about that? You think it's going to be easy, hard?
Since I'm beastly, I know it's going to demolish the course, so it's going to be really good. Although we do have summer homework already, so.
Yeah.
AP chemistry.
You survived AP Chem this year.
Well, I hardly survived, but I gotta say, even though I wasn't the brightest in the bunch, I gotta say I learned a lot, and I think hard work, although it wasn't enough, got me through.
All right. Do you have any advice to give any newcomers?
Yes, I do. I gotta say to them that the way to survive is to stay on task, read the book, and always be concentrated.
All right, that's awesome. Oh, hey Lois.
Hey, Victor.
What do you think of AP Chem?
AP Chem this year was really fun and interesting. At first, when I went in there, I thought it was super hard. But then, let's see, second semester it kind of got easier. And I think Ms. Thomas prepared us really well for the AP test. And yeah, I love AP Chemistry.
Hey, Austin. Looks like you're getting plenty of vitamin D here in the sun. How do you feel about AP Chem this year?
Well, I feel that AP Chem, it was tough to begin with, but then overall, at the end, I felt like I was well prepared for the exams, and it went a lot smoother towards the end.
That's awesome! Hey, Victor. How's it going?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Got done climbing this crazy tree. So, you're in AP Chem this year, right?
Yeah.
How was it?
Well, it was pretty brutal at first. Didn't expect that brutality from Miss Thomas. However, as the year went on, it got pretty easy. I mean, Miss Thomas was a good teacher. We were well prepared for the AP exam. I think I did well, and I enjoyed it. Met some pretty cool people, did some pretty fun experiments. I liked it.
Recording.
Well, how will you utilize
Whatever.
Bianca?
Hi, Victor.
Wait, I can't.
Oh, hey Lois.
Hey, Victor.
What do you think of AP Chem?
Wait, I can't do this.
D there in the sun. How do you think about AP? How do you feel about AP Chemistry?
Wait, stop.
Oh, that's my book.
Did you stop?
Thank you so much.